This is Daughters of Charity Rehabilitation Center, Osceola, Oregon. In this video we are going to show you how to use eye drop. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and hit the notification button so that you can get notified anytime we post new videos like this. First step, wash your hands thoroughly to ensure cleanliness. Second step, gently tilt your head back while sitting or lying down. Third step, pull down your lower eyelid to create a small pocket. Fourth step, hold the eye drop bottle over your eye, squeeze one drop into the pocket, and release. Fifth step, close your eye for a moment, avoid blinking, and wipe away any excess. Remember to follow any specific instructions provided with your eye drops, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions about their use. Thanks for watching.